Thank you to watch this video. I am very happy to see you again in this tutorial about the mathematical language. In this tutorial, we'll be learning about how we change the subject about the formula. أي meaning to range the formula. في هذا الدرس أنا سعيد جدا أن نلتقي مرة ثانية ونحاول أن نتطرق إلى موضوع تغيير الموضوع المعادلة من وضع إلى وضع آخر، أي إعادة ترتيب المعادلة وفق ما هو مطلوب، وراح نشوف هذا الآن في بعض الأمثلة. هذا الموضوع اسمه range of formula. range formula. Sorry. For this example, he asked me about to rearrange to make the h the subject. I have this formula equation, or is a formula for. I have this here A as a subject. Here A as subject. He asked me to change to H. Let H is become the instead of the A. في هذه المعادلة في هذا القانون أو في هذا المسألة يحاول يطلب من عندي تغيير ال A القيمة أو الفاليو أو المساحة بالارتفاع بالH. والآن شلون راح ممكن نسوي هذا؟ أعزائي، هنا في هذه المسائل يجب الرجوع أو التذكر قواعد الخاصة بالرياضيات. In this case, we must remember all the rule about the fraction, indices, and the board math in order to solve any problem about this. You must. In this case, first we are multiply both together, both side for this is formula by 2. We get 2a equal to ph over 2. هنا ضربنا حصلنا على فورمولا جديدة بعد ما ضربناها. الهدف من هذا الضرب, the target for this is in order to multiply by 2 in order to cancel this 2, and simplify this formula. Now cancelling 2 from this side, he said 2 gone with 2. We get now the new formula as 2a equal ph. Now we divide it by 2. Now we divide it by 2 in order to get only both sides by 2. We are get now 2a divided by b equal h. Now divided by both sides by b, we get, in order to cancel this b, in order to get h separately as a subject. Now in this case we write so h equal to a over b. This is the answer, but this is the language, math language, as should be styled like this is the solve, not like this, it should be this. في الحل هذا صحيح، لكن في لغة الرياضيات يجب أن يكون بهذا الشكل. h equal, not 2a over b equal h is style. For this example also we have there, he asked me to rearrange to make the x as a subject for this formula. This formula is 2x plus 4 over 7 equal y. Now he wants change this y as a subject by x as a subject. يطلب من عندي الآن تغيير الواي، هذا الواي في للx لهذا الx. Now also in same the rule, we are multiply both sides by 7 in order to cancel the 7. We get 2x plus 4 equal 7y. Now we divided, in this case we are, in order to cancel this 4, we added both sides as a minus 4. We add both sides as a point. حتى نتخلص من plus 4 نضيف إلى طرفي المعادلة minus 4. Now we get 2x minus 4 plus 4 is become gone, 0, equal 7y minus 4. Now solve about this is, for this is, now I make the x as a subject, x equal 7x minus 4 over 2. I divided by cofactors for x. في هذه الحالة بسطت هذه المعادلة وقسمت على معامل x، قسمت على معامل x اللي هو 2، فكان x الآن equal يساوي 7x plus 4 minus over 2. Now in this example also we have here, and he asked me to rearrange it to make the x the subject instead of the another numbers, another letters. Now this is formula. This formula is said y equal 5x over b minus b minus b. He asked me to change this y by into x. In this case, what I see, I to added b to both sides. I add b both sides in order to cancel this minus b. في هذه الحالة أضيف إلى طرفي المعادلة b، يعني add plus b in order to cancel with minus b. Now we get y equal y plus b equal 5x over b. After I added the b for both sides. Y now become y plus b. This I here added. In this case, I added here y plus b. This side equal 5x by b and cancel b with b. Now multiply both sides by p in order to cancel. This is b. I multiply both sides, this side and this side, by b. We get, hence about this is b time bracket y plus b equal 5x. Now I get, so b time y plus b in bracket over 5 equal x. قسمت divided by factor of x. قسمت على معامل x، هذا الجانب قسمته على معامل x، فحصل عندي هذا الناتج. الآن we have here practice this question and this question. The guy, please, when you solve this questions or this practice, please stop the video and try to solve this one after solve this one. And don't forget, you must to remember the rule about the indices and the fraction and the BODMAS in order to solve this, to simplify this and simplify this. Okay? This solve this. In this question, he want me x as a, I make x as a subject. Here, he asked me to make x as a subject, we see. Now this, and this. Now x equal like this. You see, this solve about this question and this solve about this question. Please, you can try. Now for this example is another rule for this is how we are rearrange make the x the subject. Y equal 5 times x plus z in bracket. He asked me to make x instead of y as a subject. I do it like this. Expand. Sorry about this sorry. Expand the bracket first. You see, I remember to expand. This is for the BODMAS. I should be first to do it this. في هذا الآن استخدم البودماث. لازم أتخلص من هاي الأقواس. I cancel. I simplify this is. I get this question, this answer, sorry. Now you see, y equal 5 times x is 5x, 5 times z is plus 5z. Now I simplify this. Y minus 5x equal 5x. Because I take this outside the equal and change the sign. Now I divide it by cofactor x 5. هنا أنا قسمت على معامل س الطرف هذا، فبقى عندي x equal like this. In this question also, you can see he asked me also to make x as a subject instead of y. I multiply c by y. I multiply c by y like this, c by y. في الجبر هناك قاعدة تقول الطرفين في الوسطين. هذه time 1 هيصير هذا equal cy. A will be get 6 time bracket x minus 1 equal cy. طرفين في الوسطين. You see the question like this. Opening the bracket first, 6x, 6 times 1 minus 1 equals cy. 6x equal cy plus 4 plus 6 after I change and transfer this is to another side. Now x equal cy plus 6 over 6. This x I change y to x. هنا في هذا السؤال أنا قمت بعملية قسمة، ضربت الطرفين في الوسطين كانت النتيجة بهذا الشكل. الآن بسطت السؤال. I am simplify this is by open the bracket and after that take the step by step the process for this is fraction. This is very easy. Thank you for watching and I hope to make more practice in order to know how you change the subject. شكرا جزيلا لهذه المشاهدة، وهذه مساهمة بسيطة من عندي لغرض حتى نفهم كيف يمكن أن نحول موضوع المعادلات أو موضوع المطلوب تغيير أو إعادة ترتيب أي معادلة أو أي فورمولا أو مسألة أو قانون في الرياضيات أو الفيزياء لغرض تبسيط السؤال وحله وتغيير مفهومه. قد يكون يعطيني هذه المعادلة لكن هو يريد قيمة x، يعطيني هذا القانون ولكن يقول لي I found the value of x. That's why we are try about this subject. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.